slow down. There you go. A little bit more. Come on. Ready. Right there.
And a hybrid?
Yes, sir. I'm glad you're enjoying it. A lot of people take it for granted.
Fishing with me for 20 years.
Something to drink.
You're about to drink 30.
You getting thirsty?
Dad, does anybody want water?
I'm
good, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, Joe, it's been 3 minutes.
I know. I can't even get a drink
Joey
without
can't
him
even
hitting
get a
me.
drink. That's a good problem.
He's trying to go that way.
He's got something on everybody in the boat.
Did you see that was a good break?
What the hell?
It's a nice one.
Lord, I'm waiting. There you go.
Got a little double bite action.
Tell it on.
Got a little double bite action. What's his name, Bill?
Steven, Butch.
Butch. Make sure you don't wind it all the way up.
Okay. I'm gonna just let him chill out for a minute or two while you're busy.
Him or you?
I got him all.
Nice size there as well.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir. Right there, there's a lift your rod. You got enough time to get a little snack and a drink now?
Well, I'm gonna try to get a drink.
The action's so hard you can't even get a drink. Fishing on credit.
You will.
What size weights are these?
Ounce and a half.
Come on, fish.
They're not biting good enough for you.
I'm just going by my graph.
Oh, you're talking about as far as seeing them. Gotcha.
Cloud cover's holding them up.
I know, it wasn't supposed to be cloudy.
She cloudy.
Yeah, I know. What is it? You would think that would make them bite better with, no? Whoa, missed that one.
Speaking of biting better. You're letting it sit on the bottom and dancing it a little bit on the top?
Yeah, I'm just bouncing up and down. I got him. Yeah, he took it.
I don't think deep enough, Bill. I can see your bait on the ground.
Really?
About a foot too high. There's all the fish right there.
That's all fish.
All the lines of fish.
Yep.
It's always so hard to read these things if you don't know what you're looking at.
Oh, it is. I still struggle after all these years.
Nice book. Nice book. Do you ever fish yourself when you're out here? Put a rod out yourself?
It's rare.
Because you're too busy working.
I get more enjoyment out of seeing people catching than I do catching them anymore.
Do you ever go by yourself when you're not working?
If I'm having some mental breakdowns, I will.
Shit, we'd be going all the time then, wouldn't we?
No, really. If I need to get away, I just get away.
Lake is a great place to do it. No
Thank
stop
you.
signs, nothing.
Wind it up
Oh.
That's another.
Yeah. This one's pretty good, man. I heard that was a weight or something, I think.
Can't let you get ahead of me, Joey. Oh my gosh, you are a
That's a nice size one.
It is.
That was good size.
Mm-hmm. They inhaling the heck out of those minnows.
Come on, dude. Just still. Dude, you want to switch sides? Don't do it. Okay.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
I was making the ultimate sacrifice and they all stop.
No.
Think the bait's still good?
30 pounds.
Brian, think the bait's still good?
No.
What do you bring? 3, 4 dozen with you?
8.
8 dozen?
Yeah.
Dang.
Wind it up now.
Killed him?
Yeah. Killed him. He's foul hook now. He's foul hook. Yeah, he's twirling. I know you know how to fish, but let's try something.
No, they don't want that.
And rod holder, they hit it in the rod holder too.
Oh, there you go. Big boy.
Danny,
Uh-huh.
I think you and me is getting taken to the damn woodshed.
Right there.
Answer him.
Did he get you.
Yep.
Send you.
Hurt.
Yep, you got me.
Sorry about that.
That ain't your fault. It's a good size. One of them bites him in the head. You trying the rod holder now? Your hands ain't. Jerk, jerk.
Finally.
You got any size there?
Acting like he's got a look.
It's about like all the rest
I
of
like
them.
the rest of them.
That's what we like to do, reeling in the fish and just fighting them. Yeah, I think everyone does. All right, my turn.
Mm-hmm.
My turn.